China on Thursday vows to continue providing the Philippines with necessary assistance, a day after Beijing donated thousands of weapons to the country to help its fight against terrorists. Foreign Minister Wang Yi makes the remarks during a visit by his Philippine counterpart Alan Cayetano and pledges China's help with the reconstruction efforts in Marawi City. Philippine President Rodrigo Duterte received a shipment of assault and sniper rifles and ammunition worth $7.35 million on Wednesday. It is the first example of Chinese military aid since Duterte threatened to move away from the United States, Manila's traditional ally, and seek Beijing's support. The U.S. Embassy said earlier this month that special forces were also assisting the Philippine military in Marawi City. But Duterte recently said he had no knowledge about U.S. technical assistance to the troops fighting in Marawi. The Philippines, which has a mutual defense treaty with the United States, has long relied on U.S.-supplied arms. In support of National Disaster Consciousness Month, Rappler will hold the first-ever Agos Summit on Disaster Preparedness from July 7 to 8 at the Samsung Hall, SM Aura, Taguig. The summit will gather disaster management experts, stakeholders, and volunteers to talk about how we can all be better prepared for climate change and disasters. Tickets are limited, so register today.